Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get $10 free a month from Gemini credits. So Google just gives you these credits for totally free. You can get this and stop paying for AI model APIs. So what you need to do is that you simply need to search for Google developer program and simply type Gemini free credits. If you simply type this on Google, the very first website which comes, this is actually their Google Developer Program website. So from here, you need to go to this section, My Benefit section, and if you simply go to Google for developers.google.com, these are their different plans and pricings which are there. This is actually the standard plan, which actually is a complete free plan. So here you can actually get access to basic access to AI developer tools. You also get access to Gemini Code Assist for individuals. The Gemini CLI also is totally free up to some limit, and these credits you get monthly Google skills credits you get with gear sign up, all these things. So you just need a simple Google account. I've already logged in inside this, so definitely logged in with a Google account and click the join now button. So once you simply sign up and describe what you need to do, and just click on the create profile button. So as soon as you create a profile here, and it will activate your account and it will give you each month $10 monthly credits so that you can use that. So now you can see welcome to Google Developer Program and go to my benefits. So now if you go to that benefit section right here, you will actually see what benefits you will get once you sign up. These are all the things that you will get. Gemini Code Assist, which is actually a IDE for building coding applications. This you get. If you don't get this, you click the get started button, and right here you install this directly inside your machine if you haven't installed it. So you can install the app directly on GitHub. If you haven't installed this, it's actually a standard Gemini Code Assist app which is available. You can directly install it by clicking the add button and install it for free. So these are different things that provide by Google, which is completely free. The secondly is Gemini CLI, the CLI tool for creating applications, and then this monthly quota that Google gives you. As a standard user, you get 35 credits each month to use for courses and labs. So right here, you need to sign up for this program, GEAR program. Once you sign up, you get 35 free credits every month. Gemini Enterprise Agent Ready. So just click the join button, and as soon as you click, you will get 35 monthly credits. So you click the become member button, fill out this information, and this quota that you also get $50 Gen AI developer credit. Start building with this API credit in AI Studio or Vertex AI. If you want to get this credit, you click the upgrade button, and as soon as you click the upgrade button, from this you can actually choose which plan you want to choose for your. So this free $10 credit, monthly credit you get inside this plan, which is Google AI Pro. For the very first month, it charges 0 rupees, and then from the next month, it charges 1950. So this is actually the premium plan in which you get this $10 cloud monthly credit. It also have this enterprise plan as well, which in which you get 150 Google Cloud monthly credit. And now to get this plan, it's easy. You actually verify this. You can either pay monthly or you can pay annually, depending upon. So these are all the features you will get apart from the Google Developer Program CLI. You also get cloud credits, Jules, Gemini app with higher usage, 100,000 monthly AI credits. So these are all the features you will get. So you can easily get started for the first month, 0 rupees. So once you click this, you will be tempted to enter your credit card, or you can even pay with UPI as well. So this, to start your free trial, you won't be charged until if you cancel before 18th May. So if you cancel within 1 month, you will not be charged. So it's a good initiative by Google. So definitely check this Google Developer Program, which gives you $10 free credits